This is my Maytag Jetclean Plus dishwasher in black, and it's haunted. And afraid of the dark. But my name is Michael and I figure things out, so I'm going to figure out how to fix my haunted dishwasher. I bought it over 7 years ago for about $500. It had to be repaired twice since then because of the buttons not responding properly. I used to be able to unplug the control panel from the control board or flip the breaker and it would work again, but it apparently didn't like that, so it refused to let me unscrew the door anymore. So I took matters into my own hands. Once removed, I figured out that the screw was stuck on some insulation that got sucked up into the thread when turned, which is why it wouldn't come out. I trimmed the insulation and the problem was solved. After removing the control panel, I figured out that the buttons were acting funny due to a rusty, corroded ribbon cable. The good news is that I had the model number for the ribbon cable. The bad news is that you cannot buy just a ribbon cable. You need to buy a whole new control panel. Luckily, the control panel plastic has the model number for each color. Unluckily, the model numbers have all changed. So you go to their parts website, which is not whirlpoolparts.com, but maytagreplacementparts.com if your dishwasher is a Maytag like mine. Then you can either call them or search your dishwasher model number and scroll through the list for control panels. The black control panel was on back order for 2 weeks at the time and cost over $180, not including shipping fees. But now that I had the model numbers, I went straight to eBay. Although the black ones were also sold out on eBay at the time, I found several gray ones and asked the sellers if they were new and if they would work with my model dishwasher. First Company Respond also had a website where it was $10 cheaper than their eBay price. So even with paying $30 for overnight shipping, I still saved over $50 from the Maytag price. And I had it the next afternoon. I installed it and it worked. Once I was sure the new control panel worked, I wanted to make sure its ribbon cable would stay corrosion-free for as long as possible. So I bought some silicone caulking from Amazon and liberally applied it all around where the ribbon cable connects to the control panel, back and front. Let it dry, and then reinstalled the control panel. My hope is that the demons have been exorcised away and I never have to take the door off this thing again.